Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Friday, July the 7th. Okay, here is the SPY and this is what we trade in this show. I only add one share of the SPY every week, but just for entertainment I also talk about my analysis on the SPY. And look at this, the market has been going within my trading range. This channel is formed by the bottom of the market, the higher low, and then draw so that it connects the lower high here. And then you can see, well, that's that channel is we have a support, I mean a resistance line here that once reached is going to be hard to cross. Okay. Note how the market approached that line, didn't quite make it, pull back, and then it found support at a previous high, previous lower high. So that's a strong point here. Okay, you can bounce back, come back down, and bounce back up. So eventually this triangle, so to speak, will be resolved and then the market will go higher. The stochastic is telling me, well, yeah, the trend has been weakening a little bit. Okay, that's fine. Today is doing well, but I think that's probably not the definitive move up yet. Okay, we'll have to see. If it crosses this line, which is the previous high, which it did before a couple of days, but it came down right back. So we want to see a big move above it, and that will mean a continuation of the uptrend. All of that is fun to talk about, and you might be learning from my description, but what we are doing here is we are adding one share of the SPY every week. So I'm going to do just that. This is a paper trading account, which means it's fictitious account, not real. And I've been adding one share for many weeks, once a week. I can go back, it's really 108 times, so it's 108 weeks. Okay, so it says my maximum period is 370 days, 70 days, so I'm gonna add that just to verify that that's all I've been doing, adding one share of the SPY every week. And you can see the dates here. Okay, so let me just add more cash. Fictitious account means I don't add real cash. I just say, click here and say adjust cash. And of course this is fake, so I'm just adding $500 more. That's what I've been adjusting every week. It's a cash adjustment, so it looks like I'm depositing $500 and say okay. And then here you can see the value of my account, and you can see that that's the market value here. You can see how much of it we have done since the opening. 2,400 is the profit. Not a whole lot, but it will get there soon. So that's about 5% in 2 years. That's not a lot. It's like a 2.5%. So it's very similar to what a CD would have given you in that period. The interest rates are increasing, but there's a limit as to how much they can increase. There is no limit as to how high the SPY will increase. Okay, so now that we have the capital we need, we can just buy. We can just copy any of this, analyze trade, and here it is. And you can see that the current position is 109 shares, and the average price is $419.66. And of course, it's already at 441, so yeah, we have a profit here. If I want to buy one more, that would increase my average price, but that's what is called dollar cost averaging. As the stock goes up, we pay more. As the stock goes down, we pay less. On the average, we have a good price, okay, in the long run, obviously. So let's just buy one more share and just make sure that it's unlocked, and then lock it quickly so that you don't get any weird quotes filled. And that's 442.03. Let's send that off and wait until it gets filled. And you can monitor it here on the monitor tab and see, oh yeah, it's a little, yeah, that's the correct price. It should get filled anytime now. Okay, so I'm gonna let it be. It fluctuates until it gets filled. The market is going up right now. It just so happens that it's making a swing up. But what if we do, let's say, at a 30-minute chart? Yeah, it's really moving up. All right, we can adjust that price. I just don't want to lose the opportunity to buy. Okay, that's the correct price. And now it's going to 13, 14. It just so happens that it's moving up. And because I don't want to be, boy, it's really moving. Okay, that should get filled. All right, so that's essentially all there is to it. And now it got filled at 44. Okay, so if you go to the Analyze tab, you'd see that my average price increased by just a little. Pull back the video and check what the price was before and after, okay? All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye-bye.